Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak Along English, an easy English speaking podcast where learning English is easy and fun. I am Alex, and I'm excited because today we have something special for everyone learning English. Today is a practice episode. We're going to practice 100 sentences about daily routines. These are simple English sentences you can use every day. Short sentences, easy to remember, easy to use. Perfect for beginners. If you're learning English and want to speak English easily, this episode is for you. Before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. And stay until the end. We'll practice all 100 sentences together. You'll learn so many English phrases for beginners today. Let's start. We'll say each sentence clearly. Listen carefully. You can repeat after us if you want. Let's begin with morning routines. Ready, everyone? Here we go. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up from my bed quickly. I get up from my bed quickly. I stretch my arms and legs first. I stretch my arms and legs first. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I take a hot shower every morning. I take a hot shower every morning. I get dressed in comfortable clothes. I get dressed in comfortable clothes. I comb my hair in the mirror. I comb my hair in the mirror. I make my bed before leaving home. I make my bed before leaving home. I open the curtains to see outside. I open the curtains to see outside. I have breakfast with my family daily. I have breakfast with my family daily. I drink coffee to start my day. I drink coffee to start my day. I eat toast with butter and jam. I eat toast with butter and jam. I check my phone for important messages. I check my phone for important messages. I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone. I pack my lunch for work today. I pack my lunch for work today. I put on my shoes at the door. I put on my shoes at the door. I grab my keys and my bag. I grab my keys and my bag. I leave home at 8:30 sharp. I leave home at 8:30 sharp. I lock the door behind me carefully. I lock the door behind me carefully. I take the bus to work daily. I take the bus to work daily. I drive my car on busy streets. I drive my car on busy streets. I walk to the office every morning. I walk to the office every morning. I arrive at work before 9 o'clock. I arrive at work before 9 o'clock. I greet my coworkers with a smile. I greet my coworkers with a smile. Wow, that's 25 sentences already. Great job, everyone, learning English with us. Yes, if you're practicing English conversation, these basic English sentences are very useful. Now let's talk about work and study. Here are 25 more easy English sentences. I turn on my computer at work. I turn on my computer at work. I check my emails every single morning. I check my emails every single morning. I attend meetings with my team regularly. I attend meetings with my team regularly. I write reports for my boss weekly. I write reports for my boss weekly. I make phone calls to important clients. I make phone calls to important clients. I work on projects throughout the day. I work on projects throughout the day. I take notes during important meetings. I take notes during important meetings. I drink water to stay healthy always. I drink water to stay healthy always. I go to university 5 days weekly. I go to university 5 days weekly. I study English for 2 hours daily. I study English for 2 hours daily. I attend classes from morning until afternoon. I attend classes from morning until afternoon. I do homework after my classes finish. I do homework after my classes finish. I read books for my English practice. I read books for my English practice. I watch English videos to learn better. I watch English videos to learn better. I listen to English podcasts every day. I listen to English podcasts every day. I take a break at noon exactly. I take a break at noon exactly. I eat lunch with friends at noon. I eat lunch with friends at noon. I have a sandwich and some fruit. I have a sandwich and some fruit. I rest for 30 minutes after lunch. I rest for 30 minutes after lunch. I talk to my coworkers about work. I continue working until 5 o'clock sharp. I continue working until 5 o'clock sharp. I finish my tasks before going home. I finish my tasks before going home. I organize my desk before I leave. I organize my desk before I leave. I plan tomorrow's work before leaving today. I plan tomorrow's work before leaving today. I say goodbye to everyone at work. I say goodbye to everyone at work. Excellent! That's 50 sentences. We're halfway through this English speaking practice session. This is perfect for English for beginners. Simple English dialogue that you can use. Now let's practice afternoon and evening routines. Another 25 sentences coming up. I leave work at 5:30 every day. I leave work at 5:30 every day. I go home on the subway train. I go home on the subway train. I listen to music on my way. I listen to music on my way. I arrive home feeling tired but happy. I arrive home feeling tired but happy. I take off my shoes at home. I take off my shoes at home. I change into comfortable clothes immediately. I change into comfortable clothes immediately. I rest on the sofa for minutes. I rest on the sofa for minutes. I watch TV to relax my mind. I watch TV to relax my mind. I prepare dinner in my small kitchen. I prepare dinner in my small kitchen. I cook pasta with vegetables for dinner. I cook pasta with vegetables for dinner. I order food from my favorite restaurant. I order food from my favorite restaurant. I eat dinner with my family together. I eat dinner with my family together. I enjoy my meal at the table. I enjoy my meal at the table. I wash the dishes after eating dinner. I wash the dishes after eating dinner. I clean the kitchen before relaxing tonight. I clean the kitchen before relaxing tonight. I call my parents on the phone. I call my parents on the phone. I talk to my friends about today. I talk to my friends about today. I help my children with their homework. I help my children with their homework. I play games with my family sometimes. I play games with my family sometimes. I read a book on my couch. I read a book on my couch. I listen to my favorite music playlist. I listen to my favorite music playlist. I check social media on my phone. I check social media on my phone. I exercise at home for 30 minutes. I exercise at home for 30 minutes. I do yoga before going to bed. I do yoga before going to bed. Amazing! 75 sentences done. You're doing great with your English listening practice. Keep listening. This is how you learn English conversation naturally. Final section. Let's practice bedtime routines. Last 25 sentences. I take a shower at night usually. I take a shower at night usually. I brush my teeth before sleeping always. I brush my teeth before sleeping always. I put on my comfortable pajamas tonight. I put on my comfortable pajamas tonight. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I charge my phone next to bed. I charge my phone next to bed. I turn off all the lights downstairs. I turn off all the lights downstairs. I lock all the doors before bed. I lock all the doors before bed. I drink water before going to sleep. I drink water before going to sleep. I write in my journal about today. I write in my journal about today. I plan my schedule for tomorrow's activities. I plan my schedule for tomorrow's activities. I meditate for 10 minutes before sleeping. I meditate for 10 minutes before sleeping. I listen to relaxing music in bed. I listen to relaxing music in bed. I think about good things today. I think about good things today. I say good night to my family members. I say good night to my family members. I hug my children before they sleep. I hug my children before they sleep. I checked the weather for tomorrow morning. I checked the weather for tomorrow morning. I turn off the TV in bedroom. I turn off the TV in bedroom. I get into bed at 11 o'clock. I get into bed at 11 o'clock. I feel tired after a long day. I feel tired after a long day. I close my eyes and relax completely. I close my eyes and relax completely. I fall asleep within 10 minutes usually. I fall asleep within 10 minutes usually. I sleep for 8 hours every night. I sleep for 8 hours every night. I dream about wonderful things every night. I dream about wonderful things every night. We did it! 100 sentences about daily routines. Excellent work, everyone! You just practiced 100 basic English sentences. That's amazing English practice. These are simple sentences you can use when you introduce yourself in English. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you can talk about your daily routine. This is perfect for meeting new people. It's an easy way to speak English easily with others. Remember, these are English phrases for beginners. Easy English sentences. You can use them every single day. If you want to learn English conversation, practice these sentences, say them out loud, use them daily. This is real English listening practice. When you listen to an English podcast like this, you improve fast. And this is great for your English self-introduction, too. Practice talking about yourself using these sentences. Everyone learning English should practice daily. Even 10 minutes helps you speak English better. Now, we have a question for you. In the comments below, write 3 sentences about your daily routine. Use the sentences we practiced today. I wake up at 7. I have breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9. We love reading your comments. It's great practice for you to write in English, too. Thank you all for joining us for this special practice episode. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We make English for Beginners content every week. Give us a like if you enjoyed this English speaking practice session. And remember, we upload new lessons every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Easy English lessons for everyone. Keep practicing, everyone. Learning English is a journey. Be patient with yourself. Every sentence you learn helps you speak English easily. You're doing great. See you in the next episode. Keep learning. Goodbye, everyone. Practice those sentences.